For today's lesson, we're going to explore the Uno Arduino software and the Arduino IDE. When you click the Uno Arduino application, by default it would be the board as well as the area wherein you're going to code your programs. For the Arduino IDE, so this would be the environment we're in, so it will just open the default window and display the previous program that you have created. So in this case, I have loaded the Blink program, which is already available in the examples inside the basics. So just choose Blink, then it will show you a program wherein it will just turn the LED on and off by a certain period. So let us first go back to the Uno Arduino board, wherein you will notice that it has several pins. Specifically, there are 6 pins below and there are 13 pins above. Actually, there are 15, wherein it would include the ground and the reference. So there are also pins here actually, but you're not going to use that. So we are more interested in the analog as well as the digital pins. So how are we going to use this Uno Arduino software? So first, let us look at the sample program given in our Arduino IDE. So the program is called Blink. So you can just copy this program. So you'll notice that from void setup up to the void loop, so we're just going to copy. Okay, so once you were able to copy that program, you can transfer that to your Uno Arduino. So just click on the area, so double click, so use the left mouse button. You can now change the program. You will notice that there are already 2 parts, the void setup and the void loop. The setup function is called whenever your sketch starts. Use it to initialize variables, pin modes, start using libraries, and others. So the setup function will only run once after each power up or reset of the Arduino board. So it will only run once. For the void loop, so basically those are the programs or codes that you want to use to run continuously. So for you to edit this, so just highlight this part and paste the program that you have captured from your Arduino IDE. So if you don't have the Arduino IDE software, so just copy this program. So this is just a short program. So then you need to accept. So once you were able to accept, you will now be able to see the program listing on your Uno ArduSim environment. So you will also notice that it uses the LED built-in variable. So this is already a reserve variable for the LED that is available in your board. So you will notice that there are 3 LEDs here. So the first one, it is an indicator for or you can use that as an output whenever you create a program. So the 2 LEDs here, it usually indicates whether you transmit or receive certain data. So if you're going to run this, just click on the run icon. So this one. So automatically this LED will blink with a delay of 1000. So what would be the unit of delay? So the unit of delay is milliseconds. So it will actually delay, or the value of the delay is actually 1000 milliseconds, and that is equivalent to 1 second. So we have used here the command which is digital write. So the format of which is digital write, then open and close parentheses. There are 2 parameters that you need to supply. The first parameter would be for the pin or the component that you want to enable or disable or output a high or a low. So in this case, we have included the LED built-in. So once you were able to run this program, take note of the pin 13, which also changes its value from 0 to 1.